Your vehicle is equipped with a power liftgate. To operate the power liftgate, the vehicle must be in park. Regardless of whether your vehicle is equipped with the motion-activated liftgate feature, any one of the following methods can be used to open or close the power liftgate. Press this button on the instrument panel. Press and hold the power liftgate button on the intelligent key, or press this button located here on the liftgate. When the liftgate begins to open, a chime sounds to indicate the power open sequence has been started. During a power open or close, the power liftgate will stop moving if any of these buttons are pressed. When pressing any of these buttons a second time, a chime will sound and the liftgate will reverse direction. The liftgate can be set to open to a specific height by performing the following. Open the liftgate. Pull the liftgate down to the desired position. Press and hold this button located on the liftgate for more than approximately 3 seconds or until 2 beeps are heard. After the beeps are heard, the liftgate will only open to the selected position setting. To reset to a different position, repeat this procedure. To close the liftgate, press this button on the instrument panel. Press and hold the power liftgate button on the intelligent key, or press this button on the liftgate. To close and lock the liftgate and doors, press this button. A chime will sound when the liftgate is closing. If the vehicle battery is discharged and the power liftgate cannot be opened, find this lever at the bottom of the inside of the liftgate. Using a small suitable tool, move it to the left to open the liftgate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.